When you study chemistry, you want to get a job after studying chemistry, maybe in the university, you come out, you want to get a job. What are those job opportunities that are available for people with the knowledge of chemistry? Where can somebody that studied chemistry work? Where can he or she get employment? There are many places that somebody that studied chemistry can work. You can work in the oil industry. Nigeria has plenty oil industry companies in Lagos and in Port Harcourt. You can work in any of those places if you have the knowledge of chemistry. You can also work in food processing industries. Those industries that make milk, canned food, you can work with them. You can also work in the industry that give health services, the pharmaceuticals. Those pharmacists, they will have knowledge of chemistry, so they can work in pharmaceuticals. They can also work as chemists. Also, people with the knowledge of chemistry can also work as teachers or lecturers in universities. So when you have the knowledge of chemistry and you get to the university and study courses like biochemistry, pharmacy, chemical engineering, there are lots of opportunities for you to work. So you can also work as a chemical engineer in oil industries. So as a way of getting notes, I've outlined this on the board. So somebody with the knowledge of chemistry can work in the industry that gives teaching services. He can become a chemistry teacher or lecturer for secondary schools, universities, polytechnics, and there are the rest of them. Can also work in food processing industry. People like food technologists, research chemists can work in food processing industries. They can also work in petroleum and petrochemical industries like the chemical engineers, laboratory assistants. Also, they can work in health services like the pharmacists, those that produce drugs, the biochemists, the nutritionists, those that advise us, counsel us on the best food to eat. They can also work in extractive industries like the chemical engineers and the research chemists. Extractive industries, how you get the metals and other things out from the earth crust. They can also work in the agricultural sector as agriculture scientists and chemists, and also in forestry as scientists who do research on the best possible way to conserve our forests. So all these are career opportunities for those that have the knowledge of chemistry. So when you're studying chemistry, don't feel bad because